Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we meet once again here and I want to teach you how to remove this red drum in a simple way without using any hammer or any tool. So as you can see, I want to bring it up but it's not coming that way. I have to reduce the adjustment at the back so that it can come out quickly and easy. So kindly, without wasting my time, let me show you how to do it in a simple way. So at the back here, this is the back button and it's an adjustment. So I'm going to use this screwdriver to reduce the adjustment and then the drum will come out easily. As simple as that. So as you can see, I'm reducing the adjustment like that. And I will not use any hammer or any tool to remove it. It will just come out easily like that after reducing the adjustment. And there we go. I hope you enjoy what I'm doing and it will bring a positive result. Not like magic, but it's a truth and techniques which you can benefit from it in a whole lifetime. So it's okay, and let's see whether the drum will come out easily or not. Okay, just remove it simple way. And this is Eric Auto Center. Okay, it's Eric Auto Center, the home of auto. If you like my content and you like it, kindly hit the subscribe button and share as much as you can. Thank you for watching.